Hello and welcome. In today's video, I am breaking down my complete Hostinger experience, 8 years of using their services, and walking you through a step-by-step method to claim the highest discount Hostinger currently offers. Before we dive in, let me explain something important that most people get confused about. Hostinger gives you two types of discounts. Type 1 is a coupon code which gives a maximum of 10% off. Type 2 is a referral code which gives you an extra 20% discount on top of any active promotional offer. That difference is huge, so always choose the referral code path. I have personally tested and verified these referral links, and I have listed them in the description and pinned comment sorted by country, local language and local currency. Click your country's link and you will be redirected straight to the official Hostinger website. No middlemen, no sketchy redirects. From the Hostinger homepage, navigate to the Products or Services tab in the top menu. Here you will find their complete lineup: web hosting plans, VPS hosting, business email solutions, and their website builder tool. For today's demonstration, I am selecting Hostinger VPS hosting because it represents excellent value for the performance it delivers. The VPS section shows 4 plan tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8, each offering dedicated resources and serious processing power. I'll be selecting the KVM2 plan to walk you through the checkout process live. On the checkout page, you will clearly see the extra 20% referral discount reflected in your final price. Before completing your purchase, remember this critical tip: use an email address that is completely new to Hostinger. Any email previously registered on their platform will not qualify for the referral bonus. That's everything you need to grab the best Hostinger deal available today. If you found this helpful, please like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest Hostinger coupon codes and hosting offers. Thanks for watching.